Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be reviewing the Outre Perfect Hairline Jenisse wig. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of the specifications on this wig. So it is fully hand tied. It has a 13x4 frontal, ear to ear soft HD transparent lace, natural baby hairs. It comes with pre-attached elastic band, pre-plucked hairline, and it is heat styling friendly, which means you can use up to about 400 degrees on this wig. It does also come in 9 different colors as well. So right here, I just really wanted to show y'all what the wig looked like straight out the box. I'm just kind of playing around with it, but literally that's how it came straight out the box. They don't really specify how long the wig is, so I'm just gonna take an estimate, and I want to say the wig is between like 8 and 10 inches, with it being no more than 10 inches at the most. But with this wig, because of that 13x4 frontal, you can part it on the left side, you can part it on the right side, you can part it down the middle, and you could even braid it if you wanted to. So then from here, I'm just showing y'all how I cut the lace off. I did take a pair of eyebrow scissors. With this though, I do not cut the hairline to match my hairline because my hairline, my edges pretty much almost touch my eyebrows. So when I cut my lace off, I literally just follow the hairline of the wig, and then once I put it on, I'll adjust it accordingly. But as I'm cutting it, y'all, I just want to show y'all how nice and natural that hairline is really looking. Like, it's pre-plucked. I don't need to pluck anything else. I feel like this wig is very beginner friendly. If you're just starting off like messing and playing around with wigs, then this is an easy one to go to. So this is what the lace is looking like once I completely cut off that extra lace. The baby hairs are looking nice. Everything, I really don't have to do yet again anything to it really. So right here, as y'all can see, I'm putting foundation on the lace. I do not bleach the knots on synthetic wigs. I only do that on human hair wigs, but to make synthetic wigs look a little bit more natural, I take my foundation color just to make the lace look more like my skin tone. And then this is what the lace is looking like, completely covered in foundation. Y'all, I am not used to wearing dark hair. I usually probably don't do anything darker than like a number 4, which is like a brown. I usually do like blondes, and y'all know I play in color, but this I'm not used to it. I've only done dark hair once, so I'm really not used to this. But we finna make this work. We finna make some shake. I know I look ridiculous now, but I'm finna glue this or spray this wig down for y'all. The texture is pretty good, but yeah, I'm not used to this. So y'all, I had locks in my hair. I took my locks down. I cannot braid to save my life, so it's literally in a little like twist or whatever, and I just pulled my hair back into a low ponytail. And I don't even wear a wig cap with these because I feel like even when you part it, you could still kind of see the wig cap, although you could camouflage it with makeup. But with these wigs, the Outre ones, the melted hairlines and the perfect hairlines, I usually don't wear a wig cap with them, but you can if you want to. Alright, so I'm just going to show you all how I melt my wigs down. I'm just going in with that olive oil wig spray that I showed y'all previously. So I used to use the freeze spray, y'all know the one in the yellow bottle, but it has good hold, but I felt like sometimes it was too harsh on my edges. This one has a decent amount of hold as well, but it's a lot I feel like it's a lot better on my edges, so that's why I started using this one. And I'm just applying, I believe I did 3 layers of this, and then I blow dry it and then melt the wig down. The blow dryer is on a cool setting because you want the spray to get tacky. You don't want it to completely dry down because then the wig will not stick. So you just want it to get lightly tacky to put the wig down. So I did tie that down, and I'm just showing y'all how it looks once it's completely down. Now I'm not finished with the hairline yet, but this is what it's looking like once I initially put it down. And I did decide to go with a side part right here. I'm just wiping off any excess spray that once I tapped the band down might have turned white or whatever, just so you don't see that. But like I said, I did go in with a side part, and I went in with my part on the left side. But yeah, I ended up just taking a rat tail comb just to make sure that the part was super straight. I usually try to line up the part almost with like the arch of my eyebrow. Y'all, I feel like that wig is looking good already. I probably could have stopped right here, but later on in the video, y'all will see that I did end up adding some baby hairs, but that's totally up to you to do that or not, you know. So next I went in with the Cantu natural hair. It's a mousse. I typically like to use a mousse on my edges because I've used a gel before, and the only thing I don't like, maybe it's because the wig is synthetic, but I feel like when I put gels on it, it really makes the hair look shiny once it dries, and we really don't want that. It's already synthetic in itself, so it has a little bit of shine, so I don't like adding to that. So I usually just typically go in with a mousse to try to slick my baby hairs down. My camera did end up dying, so y'all didn't see me finish doing my baby hairs. But I did just tie that elastic band on it again just to really make sure the wig was melted into my skin. And right here, I'm just taking it off. And then I believe I did end up going in with more alcohol just to make sure that any of that residue was gone. But yeah, so this is pretty much what the wig is looking like. I was just kind of playing around with it to get it to my liking. Overall, I don't really see too many cons with this wig. This wig, like I said, is very beginner friendly. I feel like it's big head friendly as well because I have a smaller head, but I still had room in the back of my in the back of the cap, even though my hair wasn't braided down. It did have a little bit of shedding. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Initially, like when I was coming out and stuff like that, it did have a little bit of shedding. If I didn't mention, the color was 1B, but I would highly recommend getting this wig. It was very easy, didn't take long to apply, and I love it. I've still been wearing it to this day, and I've just been wearing it without the baby hairs, and I feel like it looks a little bit more natural if you don't add baby hairs. But I absolutely love this wig. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you all give it a fat thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below to join the ALB family, because where else would you want to be? And don't forget to hit that notification bell too, so you never miss when I post another video. I love you guys. And as always, bye y'all.